Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to invite collaborators to your repository, as well as how to clone the repository that you've been invited to. So let's get started. You can see here that I'm on the Diversion Desktop app. You can achieve the same thing if you are using the command line, but in this case, let's focus on the desktop app. So you see that I have these two repositories cloned on my machine. This means they are local to my machine, as well as backed up in the cloud. And this is the list of all the repositories that I'm part of. Some of them are my own, some of them I've been invited to collaborate, but what I want to do is on this Kenny Sandbox project, I want to invite a new collaborator. How do I go about this? So it's pretty simple. I just click the three dots here and click on collaborators, and then I'll type the email of one of my collaborators. I have to specify the permissions. In this case, I want this collaborator to be able to read and write. So I'll choose write and I'll send the invite. Okay, you see that this collaborator is now part of my repository. They will receive an invite via email, and when they install and log in to Diversion with this account, they'll be able to see this in the list of repositories. So, okay, now let me switch over to my Windows machine. I'm gonna launch Diversion here with the same account that I invited myself to. So this is the collaborator, and you can see here that this project, this repository, shows up already in the list of all my repositories. What I need to do is to clone this repository. That means locally downloading all the assets into my machine so I can start working on it and collaborating on it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I just need to click here on clone repo. I need to choose where on my local drive I want it to save it to. So I'm going to put it on my Diversion repositories. And it says it's going to clone this into this path over here. So I click clone. And there we go. We are starting the cloning over here. Depending on the size of the repository, it's going to take more or less time. It really depends on that and the speed of your internet, the download speed of your internet. But in a nutshell, should be pretty straightforward. So you see it finished, and I'm now part of this repository. I can see all the history. I can do all the actions now as a collaborator. I hope this was useful. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, or join the Discord. We can answer questions over there as well. Thank you.